Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Family Dollar to do a store walkthrough. Haven't been here in a while, so we're gonna see what they have. Right here they have the Solar Mobile Blue Flower Lights. They're $10. The Edison Style Light Set, they're $7. The Solar Hanging Light Bulbs, they're $1.25 each. So I guess if you need one and not a whole stream, that'll work for you, huh? Alrighty, these cute little solar flower lights, they're $3. Nice. The solar disc lights, they are $3 as well. Yeah. This Black & Decker 3-arm revolving sprinkler, it is $5. This 8-function rear trigger nozzle, it is $7. It's very heavy too, very well made. Up here we have dwarf sunflowers for $5. The lavender is $5, the strawberry is $3, and the tomatoes are $3. The parsley's are $3 as well. Then they have the smaller ones over here. The cone flowers, they're $1.25, tomatoes $1.25, and the daisy is $1.25. You know, we can't forget our Miracle-Gro Shake and Feed, $7. Yes. All these insulated tote bags, they're only $3, guys. Oh yeah, ideal for hot or cold food and beverages. Centronella candles, they're $3. Smells pretty good. I like the green better. Yeah. So these solar lanterns up here come in white, gold, and black. They're $10. Cute dogs, frogs, elephants, and snails. So let's see how much the man is. This one is $5, and it is a garden dog. The frog is $5. The elephant is $3. I can see the price under there. And the snails are $3 as well. Nice little pots here. They're $7. Cutie pie here is $3 with the faux wood wings and tail. I like that. These cute little succulents in square pots, they're $5. The lavender and eucalyptus, they're $5 as well. These pint-sized canning jars, you get 12 for $9.50. They also have them in the quart size. They're $11 for 12. And they're dishwasher safe. And they have the lid with the bands for $2, and it is a 6-piece here. Cute little flower pots. I love this purple. They're $3. Yeah. Oh, look at this hanging planter. It's $10. Isn't that cute? Oh, yeah. And this pressure sprayer, it is a 1 liter for $5. This is something you can always use for a lot of different things, guys. This charcoal smoker, it is $40. Traditional style smoker, delicious, for delicious slow cooking and smoking of foods. It's $40, guys. Here's a look on the inside, and this is the outside. Yeah. And this is a charcoal chimney starter for $8. Oh yeah, with the faux wood handle. Nice. This is a Party Essentials 11-piece party serving kit. Great for holidays, birthdays, fundraisers, company parties, and family gatherings. How much is it? Oh goodness, I don't want it to fall over on my head. I don't see the price, guys. Yes, it's an 11-piece party serving kit. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so the DIY chalk tags, they are $1. They have the letters and numbers, a 36 piece for $2.50. The gems stickers, you get 315 for $1. This glitter here, you get a 6-pack for $1.25. This chalk marker is $1. This mini glue gun is $5. It's pretty heavy too. Powerful 20-watt heater, 2 times the power of most miniguns, for $5. Oh yeah. This is acrylic. Let's see. Oh yeah, we getting in there today, guys. So, premium color mixing, safe and non-toxic. You get 8 colors and it is $3. Okay, this electric utility heater is $35. 2 heater settings plus fan only mode. Silky plush blankets. They have them in twin through king. It starts at $25 down to $12.50. They have it in gray, black, and blue. They have such great deals on their window covering, guys. This room darkening window, 2 panels, 84-inch for $14. Another cute little pattern here. This is in the gold, a 5-piece set for $15.25. $15.25 for that one. Oh, they have the smaller ones too. Tier and Vallis window set. Light filtering. It's a 3-piece set for $10. It's good for like a kitchen window, a really small window. So it's in this gray, this tie-up white, this lemon pattern here, and this sheer. Oh, they have more colors. Look at these patterns. These are $10. It's 1 for $8. That's what it says. But everything else looks like it's like $10 for these smaller windows. 4-piece value set is $16. You get 4 panels, 84 inches for $16. It's in this tan. They have it in gray and in black. Now to some of the summer items here. This is the Best Way Fast Set Pool. It is $45. This Fill in Fun Pool, age 2 and up, is $18. And this one is the rectangular family pool for $30. It's an 8x7. Now this one is called Spaceship Pool. It's $15. And they are all by Best Way. Yes. Nice spring little setup here. Everything is on sale right now, but I'm not sure what the sale price is, but all the spring items at Family Dollar today is on sale. Okay, so but the original price on the smaller pieces are $3, and the larger pieces, they're $5. So the sale price, of course, is going to be cheaper. Just not sure what that is. So this is the $5 piece, which is beautiful. I love this one. Oh yeah, and look at that one. Beautiful. Toss pillows. They're $7. These Poise pads, the long lengths, you get between 12 and 30 count, or the liners, which is 48 counts. They're 2 for $11. Yes. Pretty good deal on the Poise, guys. Now down here, the Always Maxi pads. They are 2 for $12.50. Let's see how many you get. You get 42. 2 for $12.50. Okay. Chips Ahoy Oreo Nutty Butter or Ritz family size, 2 for $8.50. For all you sweet tooth women and men out there. Okay. Green Mountain breakfast blend, light roast, $6.95. And they also have the donut shop for $6.95 as well. Hey, Betty Crocker milk chocolate and fudge brownie mix is 2 for $5. Ooh, look at the epic cookie dough cookie kit by Duncan Hines for $5.50. It includes cookie mix, cookie dough frosting, and sprinklers. Ooh. He comes, he says, $3.85. They also have the walnut nuggets for $3. Cherry filling for $3.30. Sweetened condensed filled milk, $1.90. Evaporated milk is $1. Carnation, $2.10, and coconut milk is $2.25. Here in the freezer section, this orange chicken and the beef and broccoli. Well, the orange chicken is $4.25. The beef and broccoli is $4.60. The Korean steamed dumplings, pork and vegetable, and the chicken and vegetable, they are $3.85. The Smart Coupon, you can get these, and these are the malt oatmeal cereals. They're 2 for $7. Yes. Here at Family Dollar, guys, Post family size cereal, you buy one and get one 50% off on the Post. And that's with the Smart Coupon, guys. And General Mills cereals. Save more, you get $1 off each one. Free Simply Orange Juice is $4.65. They also have the lemonade, the pink lemonade, for $2.90. Early Bright is $2.30, and the Mini Me Tropical Punch or Fruit Punch is $2.30. We have the coffee cream and French vanilla and the hazelnut for $4.65. Half and half, rich and creamy, $3.10. All of these sandwiches are $1.35. The barbecue chicken sandwich, the breaded chicken sandwich, the spicy chicken sandwich, the grilled chicken sandwich, the cheeseburger. Yeah. They're $1.35. They even have Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl here. Ooh, how much is it? They have a lot of Jimmy Dean products here, guys, but I do not see the prices. Wow. Mac and cheese bowl. No prices, guys, but I like what I see. Family size 6 backyard barbecue boneless patties. 6 Salisbury steaks and brown gravy. The Stouffer's oven roasted meatloaf. Well, I just tell you, they have a little of everything here, huh? Jamaican style chicken patties. A little of everything, huh? Garlic chicken. I gotta open this one, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't see the prices, but tasty choice garlic chicken made with fresh ingredients, no MSG added. I also have the chicken stir fry, chicken Alfredo, seasoning blend, okra, cut okra. All right, Family Dollar, well, impress me. That I am today. They have all these pizzas here. Again, guys, I don't see any prices on the pizzas, but they are here by Red Baron. Let's see. They have Tony's. Oh, yeah. DiGiorno. Smart Coupons, $5 off with Smart Coupon on your purchase of $20 or more. Download the Family Dollar app and save today. These Monster energy drinks, they're 3 for $7. Red Bull is $3 for $7.50. Mango Peach and Fruit Medley is $2.70. They also have the Tropical Blend and the Berry Blend. The Dr. Pepper products, you get a 12 pack, you get 3 for $11. That's in the Dr. Pepper products. And in the Coca-Cola products, you get a 12 pack, you buy 2 and you get 1 free. And they're $7.95 each. I like the decorative key with the hooks for $3.50. Blackwood wall shelves, they're $6. And these hooks, one says live and laugh and love for $5. It also comes in the black. Oh, 2-pack all-purpose LED poke lights for $6. And 6 AAA batteries are included. Ooh, that's a steal for $6 with the batteries. I like it. I like it a lot. Wow. Okay, more smart coupons over here on the Select Tide Pods 25 to 42 count, $9.53. That's a $3 off with the smart coupon. Downy Orgain Scent Enhancer, 14.8 ounces, is $8.95 after the smart coupon of $2. Downy, it is $8.95 after the $2 coupon. This Scott 12 roll, after the smart coupon, it'll be $12.25. They also have Homeline brand. You get 12 rolls for $8.75. A wall of summer. Yes, summer items. So, this jumbo water shooter, it is $10. This deluxe air mat, it is $5. It's a 6 by 27, 6 feet by 27 inches. Okay, they have these folding armchairs for $17. One oversized cup holder, and the heavy duty quad chair is $25. Okay, here is the fishing game set for $5. It's yes, age 4 and up, and this is a 10-piece set. The beach towels is $7. Oh, buffet cooler, $5. Well, how neat is that? We have all of the paper plates for the summer. The beach foam. So this one is the paper trays. You get a 6-count for $1.25. You have all these beautiful paper plates and the napkins. The napkins are $1.25 too. And these plates are a little bit heavier. They're the plastic plates. You get 4 for $3. And they do have them in several different prints. They also have the bowls to match the plates, and the bowls are $3 for 4. Tablecloths, plastic tablecloths are $1.25. Ooh, I like these tumblers here. They're $3. Double wall tumbler, 26 ounces. Here at Family Dollar, guys. Oh, cutie patootie right here. Baby care seat. It is $8. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, well this is going to wrap up our video here at the Family Dollar for the store walkthrough. I really enjoyed it myself today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And if you did, please like it, share it with your friends, your family, and everyone else. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll see you all in the next one.